I really want to mention bladder 1. And I want to mention the connection between bladder 1 and your lower dantian, your lower body, your gut wisdom. I'm going to take a moment just to put one hand on your low belly and one hand doing that thing that you see people doing when they're totally exhausted. And do a little breathing. This is the welcome home into the depths. Especially if you've been looking out there for the answers. Especially if you've been looking at a screen. Nothing wrong with data. But it's that inward movement of bladder 1 down into the dark. That's what brings us to wisdom.